This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Good morning, guys. July 26, 2018. This one here, I gotta go change a condenser fan on an old Magic Chef unit. I was there the other day, and the Magic Chef unit had a bad condenser fan, the whole unit, and he wanted to change the motor. I said, man, this system's old. But anyway, I'm on my way there now, and we'll give it the old Gundy, Mom. We'll give it the old change out. I got the motor with me. I had to go get it. Give it the old Gundy, Mama. Give it the old Gundy. Guys, I got this Magic Chef condenser fan motor. I had to run out and get another one. It's a special size. A special size. So I had to run out and get another one. I really didn't want to do this job, but the guy, he wanted to spend the money on a new motor. I mean, I think 83, old. It's got two set screws here. One here and one here. Having a bargain fest here with the dogs. Quiet. That's the baby dog. I think she's tough. Quiet! Typical female, can't shut her up.
did mark the back when I took it out. See the way the wires go that way? That's what I want to do. Break these little things off here. I did check this capacitor the other day, it was good. Check it again. Capacitor's good. Alright, so you got the red that goes to one side of the capacitor, the black goes to the contactor here, and then the yellow goes to this. That's how it's wired, the 3-wire. It should fire right up now. Put a pull tie on it, we'll be good to go. I'll check the charge. Whole system here, but what are you gonna do? Guy wants it changed. No breaker outside. The whole system right here, look at it. Little magic chef, little A-coil. Still working. Amazing. Turn it on cooling and turn it down.
Yeah.
Turn it down at 70, 72 or something, so it works, all right? Yeah.
72 now.
That's fine. I'll check the charge. $75. 75 outside and 75 wet bulb. Okay, 75 wet bulb, 75 outside. We're looking at about 37 degrees superheat. Yeah, we're a little bit low. Suction pressure's a little bit low. Filter's been changed inside, he said. Might have to add a little bit. We'll let it run for a bit. We're looking at for 37. Very humid in the house. Target's 37. We're right there with the superheat. I'm gonna leave it right there. Suction pressure's a little bit lower than I'd like to see, but I'll leave it right there. Whole unit, she's still running. Just put a new condenser motor in it. Condenser fan motor. We'll leave it right there. It's been running like that for all these years. Still running. Alright guys, it's running. It's back up and running. It's an expensive motor. That's an original retrofit motor that goes in there for that particular unit. So you can't put a extra motor in it because it's a smaller in diameter. That's it.
Alright guys, I just left that job. I don't really like replacing motors on vintage equipment like that because
Turn right on Acushnet Avenue.
I kind of feel you're throwing good money to bad when it's like that, an older unit, but the guy wanted to change the motor, so he don't have the money right now to put a new system in, so I put the motor in. But when the system's old like that, you gotta think about are you throwing good money to bad type of thing. But surprised it's not leaking. I mean,
Turn right on Acushnet Avenue.
that thing's probably back in 85 vintage. 83, 85 vintage, so he's up there. Well, I don't know how long the compressor's gonna last, but got a new fan now, so gotta do what the customer wants. They want to spend the money on a new fan, you put a new fan in there. I mean, it's not my money, it's his money.
Take exit 7.